Google's weather forecast AI has significantly improved hurricane predictions, outperforming traditional models and providing forecasts in mere minutes. According to a report by Semaphore, Google's DeepMind was the top performer among 11 forecasting models, surpassing even the official expert forecasts that aggregate multiple predictions. This advancement is noteworthy as the U.S. National Weather Service's supercomputer-powered model ranked the lowest. The AI's ability to learn from its mistakes suggests that its accuracy will likely continue to improve over time. Traditional models require supercomputers with tens of thousands of processors and can take hours to generate forecasts, highlighting the efficiency of Google's approach.